On the news tonight from Lahore, I have Dalbir Kaur ji, Sarabjit Singh's sister, and with her is Awais Sheikh, Sarabjit's lawyer. I'm joined by Air Vice Marshal Abid Rao from Karachi. I'm also joined this evening by Colonel Bashir Wali Muhammad, former DG of the IB in Pakistan. He's joining us from Islamabad. He'll be joined by Farzana Abadi, human rights activist, in some time. Naresh Gujral, Member of Parliament of the Shiromani Akali Dal. Maruf Raza, Strategic Affairs Analyst. General G.D. Bakshi, Editor-in-Chief of Defense and Security. Seshadri Chari will join us in a few minutes. He's convener of the Foreign Affairs Cell of the BJP. So we have a big panel tonight. And Arif Chaudhry out there, my first question is to you. Arif Chaudhry is legal advisor to the Ministry of Interior, Government of Pakistan. Mr. Arif Chaudhry. Actually, before I come to you, Mr. Chaudhry, let me ask Dalbir Kaur, please. I'm sorry. दलबीर कौर जी और अवैस शेख जी, आप वहाँ पे लाहौर में हैं. हम चाहेंगे कि आप हमारे जो दर्शक हैं उनको बताएं कि आपने जो देखा वहाँ पे. आपने कहा कि बदसलूकी नहीं, एक तरह से नाइंसाफ़ी हो रही है आपके साथ पाकिस्तान में. आप ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं दलबीर जी?
सबसे पहले तो आप सब मुझे दिखाई दिए और मेरे अपने दिखाई दिए. मेरी हिम्मत बढ़ी है यहाँ लाहौर में बैठकर भी कि कोई मेरा अपना मुझे सुनने लगा है. और सरबजीत की आप सबको चिंता है. आज मुझे सबसे पहले जो एक बात नज़र आई वो मैं पहले बता दूं, कहीं भूल ना जाऊं
जी.
कल जब मैं सरबजीत की बाईं तरफ मुड़ी थी तो मुझे ये कहकर टाल दिया था कि इस साइड मत आप जाओ, ये सब हिल जाएगा और इन्फेक्शन होने का डर है. तब मैंने देखा था सरबजीत की बाईं उंगली के ऊपर शाई का निशान लगा हुआ था. तब मैंने उनसे पूछा कि ये सरबजीत की उंगली के ऊपर निशान कैसा. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये जहाँ पर जो पॉलीथीन लगी हुई थी उसके ऊपर कुछ स्केच पेंसिल से लिखा हुआ था. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये लग गई है शाई. तो मैं सोच रही थी कि ये शाई कैसे लगी होगी. इस हाथ में ये उंगलियां और यही पॉलीथीन बंधा हुआ है, तो ये ऐसे कैसे आ गई और शाई कैसे लग गई. लेकिन फिर भी मैं चुप रही कि हो सकता है इन लोगों से लग गई हो. लेकिन आज मैंने अचानक जब सरबजीत का हाथ एक तरफ से हिला तो मैंने देखा कि उसी उंगली के साथ वाले अंगूठे के ऊपर बराबर स्टैम्प पैड की शाई का निशान लगा हुआ था, जिससे आज मेरा दिल डर गया है कि कहीं पुराने कागजात पर सरबजीत से साइन तो नहीं कराए, अंगूठा तो नहीं लगवा लिया. कहीं सरबजीत को मारने से पहले सरबजीत को मजबूर किया जा रहा था कि इस पर अंगूठा लगाओ. सरबजीत ने कहा हो कि मैं नहीं लगाता, तब मारपीट हुई हो, या कुछ ऐसे खौफनाक कागजात तैयार किए हों कि सरबजीत को मार के बेहोश करके उस पर अंगूठे का निशान लगाया. बेड पर पड़े हुए इंसान के अंगूठे का निशान वो कैसे दिखाई दिया, वो शाई क्यों आई और कैसे लगी, किस लिए लगी, मेरा आज ये चिंता का विषय बना हुआ है.
ये तो आपने जो बात कही काफ़ी बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि आप इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि एक तरह से साजिश हो सकती है. ये सारा जो जिस हालत में सरबजीत को पाया गया, ये कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं, कोई अटैक नहीं. अवैस शेख जी, क्या आप मानते हैं कि एक साजिश है? अवैस शेख जी, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
Do you feel it's a conspiracy? Do you feel there's an angle of conspiracy?
Yes, it can be. It can be a conspiracy, and those who attacked Sarabjit Singh and so severely he was beaten and injured, those jailmates who are on death row, they may be having some links outside militant agencies or groups. and this is to be investigated. But I tell you one thing: they would be those, the conspiracy would be from those who do not want to see Pakistan-India relations. They want to damage relations. They want to. This is the damage they have caused on Pakistan. Pakistan, you see, is in a defensive position. Pakistan has to answer. Pakistan has not gained good name in the civilized world after this attack. So the conspiracy, not by government, not by I don't think so. This may be there may be the
Mr. Sheikh, are you under any pressure? Mr. Sheikh, are you under any pressure from your own government or government authorities? I know that many people have attacked you personally for being the lawyer for Sarabjit Singh.
Not at all. I am blaming jail administration. They are entirely responsible. They were given they were under obligation to safeguard life of prisoners, and they miserably failed to provide security, life security to and safeguard the life of Sarabjit Singh. So I am blaming them, but at the same time, this may be the conspiracy of those agencies or the organizations, militant organizations or extremist religious organizations who are.
Well, you know, Mr. Awais Sheikh,
I do not want to see Pakistan-India relations develop.
Sure, but you know, it is the responsibility of the government of Pakistan. The moot point is this, and I'd like to first go across to Arif Chaudhry. Your government has to take responsibility now. And also, Mr. Arif Chaudhry, why is the Pakistan government acting so suspiciously, so absolutely suspiciously after this murderous attack on Sarabjit?
First of all, I have to sympathize with the family of Sarabjit, and particularly my sister Dilbir Kaur, whom I have met in Chandigarh, and she knows me very well. And my efforts in this regard, she is very well aware of. And the delegation which was accommodated and honored here, and they met through me to the Minister Interior at that point in time, and then we prepared a mercy petition for...
Sir, it is all meaningless now, sir. Please come to the point. Please come to the point.
Would you like to listen to me?
No.
What is meaningful?
What is meaningful if
meaningful because first
Mr. Arif, you see, I want you to look at what happened. You reluctantly provided consular access to India for the second time. This raises suspicions on your motives.
Refute the allegation. No, I have now. If you have to listen, please hold on. I have to refute the concept of conspiracy which has been now alleged on the reason that he is now a convict. And there is no reason to get any paper signed or any document prepared and thumb marked by him at this juncture.
Then why does he have ink marks on his thumb? No, you watch.
This is something absolutely different.
What, Mr.
Blame game cannot help us both, because you know, if you remember, at that point in time I had requested all of you on the issue of Surjit Singh and Sarabjit Singh that please avoid this controversy in such a manner. If some mistake has taken place due to mistaken ID of Sarabjit Singh and Surjit Singh, please don't confuse this issue and don't bring it to that hype. And if you recall, after your hype created by you, the media, now things have gone that wrong.
One second. Awais Sheikh wants to say something to. By the way, I think, with the greatest of respect, Arif Chaudhry, that you have no answer to my question on the denial of regular consular access in the beginning.
No. You don't have ears. You don't have ears to hear the answer.
I'm waiting for the answer. If you answer the question, I will hear.
This is, if you please listen. I am going to answer this. This is your habit. Whenever you invite anybody from Pakistan, particularly, you know, I have experience. You would never allow us to say any word. You know,
sir, I don't
when
know.
you ask a question,
sir, Mr. Arif Chaudhry, Mr. Arif Chaudhry, thank you.
You say you
thank you for 1 minute, Mr. Chaudhry. 1 minute, please. You know, please see. It's not going to help.
You have put a question.
1 second, please, Mr. Arif Chaudhry. I wish
Yeah.
I really wish that person. I wish that personally attacking me would be an answer to my question. I would be quiet if a personal attack on me was substituted as an answer to my question. Owais Sheikh is saying something to you. Owais Sheikh.
I just started sympathize. No, you have the media, but is this the way that you don't allow anybody to talk?
Sir, you're not answering my question, Mr. Owais Sheikh. Mr. Owais Sheikh.
I need time. I just started sympathizing with the family.
Sympathies don't help.
You can ask.
Sympathy doesn't help.
If I call our sister, is it untrue?
That's all.
But क्या मैं कोई गलत बोल रहा हूँ? दिलबीर कौर जी मेरा
आरिफ चौधरी साहब, आप जरा
कोई रिश्ता नहीं है.
आरिफ चौधरी साहब देखिए, ऐसा है, एक समय होता है.
If I start with that,
एक वक्त होता है. सुनिए बात.
Is that the way you treat me?
Mr. Arif
Can't
Chaudhary,
you hold
listen to
on
me
for a single minute?
Mr. Chaudhary, 1
You
minute.
are so
Don't be.
breathless. You don't allow me to say anything.
Hear the other side. I'm now allowing one. Up 1 minute. Owais Sheikh, quick response. Then I have to get the other panelists.
Please, I would like to. I would like to add one thing. Please allow me to say just one word. Can I say one thing? That as per the report. As per the reports came out, the inquiry report submitted by the agencies to Foreign Office, 2 persons were continuously coming to the jail authorities and meeting those people who are involved in this heinous crime. So this is the conspiracy, and we cannot, we cannot avoid the
I just tried to, I rebutted the allegation because there is no need to get any thumb impression. You are a lawyer by yourself. Because there is nothing to be signed or thumb marked right now on his part. So that is wrong.
No, Mr. Arif Chaudhary, 1 minute.
Incident is
Mr. Chaudhary,
it is really very callous. Nobody can endorse this incident. Let me speak on the part of the government of Pakistan.
Mr. Chaudhary, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Mr. Chaudhary, please listen. I want to get everyone in. And by the way, Dalbir Kaur, who is here on the program, you call her your sister. I'm sure you know she reciprocates your sentiments. Please remember, Mr. Arif Chaudhary.
No, I was
1 minute, you don't allow me to say anything.
At that point in time.
Mr. Chaudhary, will you please remember, I'm pointing a fact to you. You're a lawyer, listen to the facts. The fact is, Dalbir Kaur, again you interrupted me, then I will not say a thing.
As a person who is host, you are supposed to listen the other side.
I am putting questions. Thank you for reminding me of my responsibility as a host. I am simply telling you that Dalbir says that 2 months back, Sarabjit wrote her a letter saying he felt threatened by 3 people in the jail. पाकिस्तान डिनाइज दैट. दलबीर कौर, क्या यह सच है कि नहीं कि आपकी सरबजीत ने 2 महीने पहले एक चिट्ठी लिखी जिसमें उन्होंने कहा कि 3 लोग मुझे थ्रेटन कर रहे हैं? दलबीर कौर जी, ऐसा उस चिट्ठी के बारे में हमें बताइए, किस तरह की थ्रेट आ रही थी सरबजीत को?
जब शेख साहब और सरबजीत से मुलाकात करने के लिए जेल में जाते हैं तो वह अकेले नहीं जाते हैं, उनके साथ जेल अधिकारी होते हैं. इनका इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो का एक अधिकारी साथ में होता है, 2 अधिकारी साथ में होते हैं. सरबजीत ने उनकी उपस्थिति में शेख साहब को बताया कि ये नाम लिख लीजिए. नाम लिखकर भी दिए, शेख साहब को भी लिखवाए. इन्होंने भी अपने पेन से नाम लिखे कि ये हवालाती है, ये लोग कैदी हैं. हवालाती कहता है मेरी अप्रोच ऊपर तक है, मैं होम सेक्रेटरी तक अप्रोच रखता हूँ, मेरे पास ढेरों रुपया है जेल के अंदर, ढेरों मेरे पास मोबाइल्स हैं, ये देख लो, मैं तो पकड़ा नहीं जाता. और मैं अब तुम लोगों ने हमारा अफजल मार दिया और तुम यहाँ पर जिंदा बैठे हो, तो मैं छुरियां मंगा रहा हूँ, छुरियों से तुम पर हमला होगा. बार बार उन लोगों ने सरबजीत को यही बोला और यही.
सुन लीजिए आरिफ जी, सुन लीजिए, सच्चाई कड़वी होती है.
इन्होंने अवैध शेख ने
सच्चाई कड़वी होती है,
कुछ चिट्ठी लिखी या हवाला,
सच्चाई कड़वी होती है. आरिफ जी सुन लीजिए प्लीज, आपकी बहन दलबीर कौर जी कुछ कह रही है आपको.
अपनी सरकार ने भाईजान, मेरी अपनी सरकार ने लिखा, मेरी अपनी सरकार ने आपको बताया, मेरी अपनी सरकार ने पाकिस्तान सरकार को बताया. रहमान मलिक जी जब आए थे, मैंने वीजा मांगा था. वो बोलकर गए थे कि हाँ इन्हें फौरी तौर पर वीजा दे दो, मेरे गेस्ट हाउस में ठहराओ, मेरी गेस्ट होंगी, मैं मुलाकात कराऊंगा, लंबा वीजा दो. उस समय मेरी अपनी सरकार ने बात की है, ये नाम लिखवाए हैं. ये नहीं कि नहीं लिखवाए।
I am witness
ये बात
that
जो
while
अवैध
I
शेख
was
साहब
meeting
कर रहे हैं,
Sarabjit
अवैध
Singh
शेख
in jail,
साहब
please
एक लेटर हमें
listen
भी
to
भेज
me.
सकते थे
When-
मिनिस्ट्री को, एक मुझे भी उसकी कॉपी कर सकते थे। ही कुड इन्फॉर्म अस।
प्लीज मिस्टर
Yes, अब-
कौन सी हमेशा
yes, I
यहाँ
answer-
जो
I
आके बात
answer-
करते हैं, he could
Yes,
write
I-
anything.
Yes, I answer your question. While I was meeting Sarabjit Singh in jail, there was a CID man sitting beside me, and Sarabjit pointed him out and asked him to please write down the name of a jailmate who is continuously threatening me, and he wrote down his name. Then on my way back, I met the superintendent jail and asked him to note down, please. So these are the things which are happening, and the whole administration of jail knew that Sarabjit Singh is receiving threats of life. So it was their duty. Please
Mr.
accept
Abbas,
that.
you know this
It was
issue
their
was not
responsibility.
local. This
And
was-
this
Okay,
is
now
their
I'd like to go across
negligence.
to.
This is negligence.
I'd now like to
was
get
not
a
negligence.
fourth voice into this debate, and I'd like to get in General G.D. Bakshi.